Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 24,301, up 3.82 on the day. The CPI numbers just got released here. We're seeing a market cap of 461 billion, 24-hour volume 28.02 billion. So as we can see here, all eyes on U.S. inflation, which eased slightly to 8.5% annual rate. That is still close to a 4-decade high, but at this point, even a slight ease is enough to make investors happy. So as we can see, we are seeing a nice bounce in the market. Currently, we're up 3.9%. Now, just be very careful, in my opinion, as the whales could definitely take advantage here. We're seeing a huge increase in short positions, up 33% since this news got released here, and we've come back up to major resistance. So what we have here is called a running flat ABC correction, where the C wave doesn't break below the A wave. So potentially we could still be putting in a wave 3. We're seeing a wave 1 pullback, a wave 2, and starting to push up in a wave 3. Just be very, very cautious, because we can easily just consolidate here and come back down. If we pop over to our next chart, which is here on the daily, we back tested this bull flag and we started to bounce. So technically we do have a technical target up here of about 27.2k. Just be very, very cautious, because we're also putting in a little bit of a double top pattern. As you can see right here, we have a top and we have a second top, so do keep an eye on that. If we can come up and break this high, that's when we can see a nice push all the way up to about 26.1k. Even if we were to see some further pullback, I did think there was a higher likelihood that we do at least push up to this wick here, or the 0.382, but we'll have to see what happens. If we can't break this level of resistance, we can easily put in a double top pattern, and that could bring us down here to about oh, sorry guys, that could bring you down to about 20.7k. But we did see a nice bounce off this level of support, really close to the support of our ascending channel. So we'll see if we can come up and break this level of resistance. If we do fail to break that resistance, we can just roll over. We even have a smaller double top pattern right here potentially. It all depends if we come up and break this high. But if we do come up and break this high, then that's when you can see your wave 3 with a target, minimum target of about 28.5k for BTC. That's basically it for this little update. Just wanted to share those CPI numbers with you guys and explain why we're seeing that pump in the market. But potentially it could be short-lived unless we come up and significantly break these highs. We are seeing a huge increase in short positions, currently up about 32%. Big shout out to the Discord, where you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits. I'll throw the current trades up on the screen. I've taken quite a bit of profits out of those trades here. But if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, it's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link, 10 USD, and you also have access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And you can sign up through the Patreon link. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. You can check out my full length tutorial, up to $4,500 in bonuses over there. And I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.